Hello buddies, today I made super delicious, fluffy and soft custard bread with Checkers custard. The color and the taste given to this bread by the Checkers custard made this bread a special treat. So let me show you how I did it. First I started with 2.5 eating spoons of the Checkers custard powder, emphasis on Checkers custard, and 1 eating spoon of milk. Then added some water, combine everything, transfer this on heat and cook it till it's done just that way. Next I added 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of mixed spice, 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast. Then I started scooping in the custard that I cooked. Okay, so after scooping in, I added 10 grams of butter or margarine, whichever one. Then I started adding the water. So here I first added 3 tablespoons of water. After combining it, I added extra 1 tablespoon and extra 1 tablespoon, making it up to 5 to 6 tablespoons of water. So after combining this, I transferred on my work surface and then started kneading this dough. I made sure that I kneaded this dough till it's super soft and bouncy. So then I had to wrap up this dough and let it set for up to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I had to unwrap the dough and then cut it into 2 equal parts. This gave me each part 203 grams, making it 406 grams in a whole. Then after, I had to grease my 6 by 3 inches double loaf pan and then roll out this dough, fold it up and then place in this my greased loaf pan. Cover the dough and allow it to proof or to rest for up to 1 hour 30 minutes to 2 hours. And after that, I had to brush one with some water and sprinkle some sesame seed on it, and the other one I didn't do anything to that. Then I had to bake this in my preheated oven at 180 degrees C for 50 minutes or until my bread turns out light golden brown and delicious.